Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will discuss Microsoft Entra ID Global App Management Policies. Well, you can now enable restrictions across all applications and service principals in your tenant using application management policies. There are two types of policy controls in Microsoft Entra. Tenant default policy, which applies to all applications or service principals across the tenant. Then there is app management policies, which allow individual apps or service principals to be included or excluded from the tenant default policy. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the entra.microsoft.com. Okay, and I'll show you what to do. Okay, so when you're on Microsoft Entra Admin Center, you go to Entra ID and you click on apps. You click on enterprise apps, and then you click on application policies. It says define app management policies for your organization. Use these policies to reduce security risk caused by insecure app configurations. Now, if you set the status to on for, let's say, block password addition, it blocks the addition of new passwords. Policy that restricts the addition of new password credentials on application registration and service principals in your tenant. Now, when you change the status to on, you also need to ensure that this applies to field is set to all applications. It says all applications with exclusions, select applications. You hit save and close. Okay. Now, if you go back to application policies, another one is password addition restriction. Restrict max password lifetime, right? If you want to grant an exception to an application, okay, so you go back here, switch that to on. It says all applications with exclusions. What are your excluded apps? Choose the application you would like to exclude from the restriction and then hit save. Like you can click on all applications or add applications. And then it will list down all your applications, enterprise or custom app registrations if you have done any. Select that, click on select, and it will be under the excluded list. If you want to grant an exception to a user or service. Now, sometimes exceptions need to be granted to the user or service creating or modifying the application. For example, imagine an automated process in your organization periodically creates applications and sets password on them. You want to block the new passwords in your organization, but you don't want to break this automated process while you are working on updating it. So application exceptions would not work in this case because the apps being created or updated don't exist yet. Instead, you can apply an exception to the process itself. Now, this type of exception, sometimes labeled an actor or caller exception, is configured using custom security attributes. Because of this, you need two additional roles for the scenario. You need to be attribute definition administrator or attribute assignment administrator. Right, so while you are, let me cancel it. While you are in enterprise application policies, let's say I click on restrict max certificate lifetime. When you turn this to on, excluded callers, and click on manage excluded callers require both the attribute definition administrator and attribute assignment administrator roles. So this is the documentation or the roles I was referring to. When you will have this role enabled, this one, which is a built-in role, enabled on your ID, you'll be able to save these settings. And if you want to apply a restriction to a specific application, you block custom passwords, right? So for example, we click on this, on, and then you click on select application, and here, rather than applying to all applications or all applications with exclusions, you can select specific applications here as well. And after enabling these policies, if you want to view your custom policies, now custom policies are applied to specific application and service principals. They are used to override the tenant-wide configuration for a specific application or an app. So Microsoft Entra Admin Center automatically configures custom policies for us based on our intent. For example, if you want to grant an exemption to a restriction for a specific app, the Microsoft Entra Admin Center crafts the custom policy with the behavior behind the scenes and assigns it to the applications. And if you'll use Microsoft Entra Admin Center for this, the list of custom policies cannot be viewed directly in the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. You need to switch to the Microsoft Graph tab and use it through the graph queries. Alright, I hope this was informative for all of you. If you want to read more about it, do lab about it, I would recommend you read the Configure App Management Policies under Application Management documentation on Microsoft. And please mention in your comments on what other topics you want me to make videos. And I hope this was informative for you. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.